Hello and welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I'm a proud forever business owner. Today I want to cover one topic of samples. In Forever Living Products Company, as we are doing our business introducing products, we also have a set of samples that we can give out to our customers to try the product and use it and see if they like it. And after they try it, they like it, then they may consider to buy. So many people are asking me, Oliver, should I use samples? Should I give people samples? How many samples should I give? And so on. So I want to address that issue or concern, especially for new members, new distributors, new forever business owners. And this is how I've done it at the beginning, and then I found a better way. So I was literally giving samples left and right, 2 of them, few of them, 3 of them, 5 of them, to as many people as possible, because I really loved products and I thought if I give them samples, they will love it too and they will consider to buy. So what was happening is that many people did not even try the samples. When I was following up, when I was asking, did you have a chance to try the samples? Did you like it? Many of them didn't even try the samples. So I realized that I was literally wasting my money and my time passing out samples to everyone. So I learned not to give samples to everyone, but still I do have samples and I introduce these samples occasionally or when the time is right or when the situation is right. So here is how it works. I love to give samples to people who buy our products because they have a little bit of interest. They buy 1 product or 2 products, and then I give them a sample of a 3rd product of something they haven't tried yet. So I introduce them to a new product so that they can try it and see how great these products are. Because these people are already buying, they're very open, and maybe they don't want to buy more, but they're certainly interested to try. So that is a great way to do it. Sometimes people ask me, do you have samples? And in that situation, I would rather push the product, and I will explain how I do that, instead of just saying, yes, I have a samples, here's a sample. So I really consider every product that we have is like a sample. The reason why is because we offer 100% unconditional money back guarantee. So the customer will either love the product, enjoy the product, or get the money back. And that's what I stand for too. I stand behind the product so much that I don't care if they buy, if they use the product completely, and if they don't like it, I really don't need the money. I would rather give them their money back, or they will love the product. So that's how I'm passionate, and that's how I stand strongly behind my products, because I love them and I believe that people should get the benefit. If they don't get the benefit, they shouldn't pay for the product, and I think that's very fair. So what I do is I just tell them, hey, just buy it, don't worry about it. If you don't like the product, just bring it back and I'll give you money back. So it really serves like a sample. So every product that we have, that we carry, it is in a way a sample, so they can try it, use it, and if they don't like it, get the money back. If they still say, no, I really don't want to buy, I would just rather try a sample, in that situation I would give them sample for them to try, and then I would follow up and find out. So those are the different situations that we have with different samples. Ideally, my best way to give out samples is for people who are asking for a catalog, for people who are buying some of the products. Then I introduce them to other products through samples and then follow up. So hopefully that was useful, and that explains and covers our samples, options, and strategies. But don't give them to everybody and anybody, because you will just give them away and people will just toss them away, and they're not gonna get the benefit from it, and you're gonna waste your money and also your time. Speaking of time, my time is up, and I thank you for yours. Bye bye.